We are on the cusp of a new era. Robots are no longer science fiction. They are rapidly becoming part of our daily lives. Experts predict a surge in their numbers. Imagine a world with billions of robots. By 2035, we could see 1.3 billion robots powered by artificial intelligence. That number could reach a staggering 4 billion by 2050. This is the dawn of a new age of machines. These robots are not just mindless machines, they are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Advancements in artificial intelligence are giving them incredible abilities. Robots can now learn and adapt to new information. They are becoming more autonomous and capable of making decisions. The rise of robots is transforming our world in unprecedented ways. From factories to homes, robots are changing the way we live and work. The future is here, and it is filled with both promise and challenges. The rise of robots is driven by several factors. One major driver is the advancement of artificial intelligence. AI is giving robots the ability to learn, adapt, and perform complex tasks. This is making them increasingly valuable in various industries. Another driver is labor shortages. As populations age and birth rates decline, many countries are facing a shortage of workers. Robots offer a solution by automating tasks and filling labor gaps. This is especially true in industries with physically demanding or repetitive jobs. Cost effectiveness is another significant factor. Robots can work tirelessly without breaks, sick leave, or benefits. This makes them an attractive alternative to human labor in the long run. Businesses are increasingly turning to robots to improve efficiency and reduce operational costs. The rise of robots is not just about replacing humans, however. It is also about freeing us from mundane and repetitive tasks. This will allow people to focus on more creative, fulfilling, and higher-level jobs. Today's robots are far more advanced than their predecessors. They are equipped with cutting-edge technologies that allow them to perform a wide range of tasks. One of the most impressive capabilities of modern robots is their dexterity. Thanks to advances in robotics and materials science, robots can now perform incredibly delicate and precise movements. For example, some robots can now thread needles and even perform surgical sutures. This level of dexterity opens up a world of possibilities in fields like manufacturing, medicine, and beyond. Imagine robots assisting in delicate surgeries or assembling intricate electronic components with incredible precision. Another key capability is multimodal AI integration. This means that robots can now process information from multiple sources just like humans do. They can see, hear, touch, and even interpret data from sensors and cameras. This allows them to interact with the world in a much more sophisticated way. For instance, a robot in a warehouse can use computer vision to identify objects, navigate obstacles, and safely collaborate with human workers. This fusion of AI and robotics is revolutionizing the way we work and live. The applications of robots are expanding at an astonishing rate. They are no longer confined to factories and warehouses. We now see robots in various sectors, transforming industries and changing the way we live. In healthcare, robots are assisting surgeons in performing complex procedures with greater precision. They're also being used in therapy to help patients recover from injuries. Robots are even being deployed in the fight against pandemics, helping to disinfect hospitals and deliver supplies. In our homes, robots are becoming increasingly common. Robotic vacuum cleaners and lawnmowers are now commonplace, taking over mundane chores and giving us more free time. Smart home devices powered by AI are also becoming increasingly integrated into our lives. These devices can control our lighting, temperature, and appliances, making our homes more comfortable and energy efficient. The manufacturing industry has always been at the forefront of robotics, and this trend is only accelerating. Robots are now used in every stage of the manufacturing process, from welding and painting to assembly and packaging. The rise of robots brings both advantages and disadvantages. On the one hand, robots offer incredible potential to improve our lives. They can increase productivity, reduce costs, and perform dangerous or undesirable. Robots can also help us overcome labor shortages and free up human workers for more creative and fulfilling jobs. In industries like manufacturing and logistics, robots can work 24/7 without breaks, improving output. This increased productivity can lead to economic growth and job creation in other sectors. However, the rise of robots also presents challenges. One of the most significant concerns is the potential for job displacement. As robots become more sophisticated, they threaten to automate jobs currently performed by humans. This is particularly concerning for workers in industries like manufacturing, transportation, and logistics. Disadvantage is the high upfront cost of implementing robotic systems. While robots can lead to long-term cost savings, the initial investment can be substantial. This can be a barrier to entry for smaller companies and existing economic inequalities. The rise of robots is a complex issue with far-reaching implications. As we continue to integrate robots into our lives, it is crucial to address the challenges while harnessing this transformative technology.